In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to invite friends to your Facebook page. This is crucial for building an initial audience and boosting visibility. Friends are often your first supporters, helping your page gain credibility and momentum. To do this, simply head to Facebook. Onto the menu, head to your page. You want to tap onto these three dots right here. On the page settings, navigate onto the third last option of Invite People to Connect. You just need to tap on Switch right here. A list of all your friends will show up. You can either select all or simply select one by one and then tap on Send Invitation. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.